tiny germs are all around. Tiny germs are all around, on the table, floor, and ground. But we can keep them far away. Wash our hands and shout hooray! Say no, say no, say no to germs. Scrub your hands and twist those arms. Soap and water, rinse and play. Healthy kids are here to stay. Cover coughs and sneezes too. Use your elbow, not your shoe. Tissues help to keep things clean. Bye-bye germs, they won't be seen. Say no, say no, say no to germs. Scrub your hands and twist those arms. Soap and water, rinse and play. Healthy kids are here to stay. Germs are tiny, but we're strong. Wash and sing our happy song. Clean our toys and tidy space. Germs will vanish without a trace. Healthy habits every day. Keep those pesky germs away. Eat good food and drink lots too. Strong and happy, that's me and you. Say no, say no, say no to germs. Scrub your hands and twist those arms. Soap and water, rinse and play. Healthy kids are here to stay. Wave goodbye to germs.